Hi, everybody. I want to go over how to find the two articles from the SIRS database that you will be using for the Unit 2 Informative Research Essay. So this is one of the things you're doing in the week 4 for this course. So you found your debatable topic in SIRS. So you went to our My DTCC homepage, looked under our library resources, and chose SIRS. When you got to SIRS, you looked for a debatable issue. And so I'm going to look from A to Z, and I'm going to choose antibiotic resistance. When you chose that topic, you got a focused research question, which is your research question. This one is, should farms be banned from providing antibiotics to livestock? When you found your topic, I said do not use the SIRS articles. In Unit 1, we used articles from Credo and an internet search, but now we can use the articles from SIRS because what we're doing in the Unit 2 Informative Research Essay is to find two articles that have differing perspectives on the issue. So in Unit 1, you got an overview of the issue and what it is. And now you're going to look at the two different perspectives. So in this particular case, we have one perspective, which is that antibiotics are needed to keep livestock herds healthy and prevent disease outbreaks. But we also have another perspective, which is that antibiotics should be banned from livestock in order to prevent more cases of antibiotic resistance. For each of those viewpoints, SIRS provides a few articles right here where the question and the viewpoints are listed. And you can use your judgment to see if these would work. Now, you have to use the CRAP test, make sure it's recent, it's credible, and so forth. But there are a couple of specific issues with the SIRS database that I want to point out. So for example, I might think this article looks good, so I click on it. But I see that the source is University Wire. That means it's a college newspaper and the articles are written by college students. Because they are not professionals, I will not approve an article from University Wire. And there are quite a few in SIRS, so make sure you look for that. So I'm not going to be able to use that article. So I'm going to try this one. In this article, I see the author is Targeted News Service. So there is not a specific person listed as the author. And for the purposes of this unit, we want your articles to be authored by a person or persons. So this one will not work. So I'm going to try this one. And here I have an author. I have a news source, TCA Regional News. It's not a college newspaper. The date is quite recent. So those things look promising. And then what I would do is look at the summary and look through the article and see if this will give good information on that perspective. So if it does, then you want to note the title, the author, and the date, because you'll need to get my approval for the article. If you see that none of these articles are going to work, there also is a link for Find More Sources, and now you're going to just see a list of lots of things. Here, of course, you really need to use the CRAP test because they may be older and not recent enough. You also want to make sure this is an article, not a timeline, not a chart, and so forth. So look for magazine or newspaper articles. All right, once you found the articles, then in the instructions, there is a link for a discussion topic to get approval for your articles. So you're going to start a new thread and list the author, title, and date of both of the SIRS articles you found. post that, and then check back later to see that I replied and approved your article. All right, so there's some other things that you need to do here in the week 4 assignments, but you can certainly read the instructions and follow those. But I just wanted to make sure you understood how to find those 2 articles and get those approvals. Hopefully that will help you.